Some students are still psychologically impacted by the Hazelwood mine fire 5 years on, according to new findings. The health study is also looking at a correlation between the disaster and education outcomes. Alexandria Zatsamarkis reports.
5 years after the Hazelwood mine fire started, probes into its impacts on students are far from over.
It's an opportunity to see how children are moving on from the event.
12 months after the fire, Monash University researchers interviewed 46 students in years 5, 7 and 9, gathering data to investigate the psychological impacts of the disaster. They re-interviewed the same group 2 years later and today revealed their results. The study found the majority of students have moved on, but there are still a number of children who remain adversely impacted. Researchers are now asking why.
And that's what we're actually now looking through in terms of the survey results to try and understand the aspects of vulnerability. We certainly know that from the first round of analyses that the younger kids were more sensitive to the event.
Carolyn Boothman chairs the Hazelwood Health Study and is also a teacher.
Certainly at the time, teachers were telling me that really that entire first term was a write-off in terms of learning.
The impact on educational outcomes is also forming a major part of the study. That will include collecting NAPLAN results from several years and analysing them.
That will show us whether there are major changes in NAPLAN. We don't think there'll be big changes, but there is the possibility.
It was a very disruptive time, particularly for the schools in Morwell, but then also for the schools wider than that, where they had students coming into their schools during that time. It's really important to see how that affected their learning.
Alexandria Zatsamarkis, 9 News.